In this video, you'll learn how to add Microsoft bookings to Outlook, so it's always easy to find and use. By the end, you'll have bookings pinned right inside your Outlook sidebar, sitting next to your mail and calendar, ready whenever you need it. Let's start by opening Outlook. You can do this either in your web browser or using the new Outlook desktop app. The process is basically the same in both. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to Microsoft bookings, usually your work or school account. Once Outlook is open, look at the far left side of the screen. This is your main navigation bar. Here you'll typically see icons like mail, calendar, and maybe people or other apps, depending on how your Outlook is set up. Now, to find the Microsoft Bookings app, we need to open the app launcher. Depending on your version of Outlook, this will look a little different. In many versions, you'll see a square waffle icon made up of small dots or squares. In others, you might see 3 dots stacked vertically, usually at the bottom of that left-hand navigation bar. Go ahead and click that apps or waffle icon. This opens the area where you can access additional Microsoft apps that are connected to your account. After you click it, you'll either see a grid of apps or a small menu with an option to see all apps. If you don't immediately see bookings in the list, don't worry. There should be a search box in this panel. Click into the search box and type bookings. As you type, Outlook will search through the available apps linked to your account. You're looking for the Microsoft Bookings app icon to appear in the results. Once you see it, you've found the right app. Now, instead of just clicking to open it, we want to make sure it's easy to access in the future. To do that, move your mouse over the bookings icon and right-click it. If you're on a device where right-clicking is different, such as a touchpad or a touchscreen, use the equivalent gesture for opening the context menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Pin. Click Pin. What this does is add Microsoft Bookings to your Outlook sidebar so it doesn't get buried or hidden in the apps menu. It becomes a permanent icon alongside your mail and calendar, making it much faster to open next time. Once you've pinned it, glance back at your left-hand navigation bar. You should now see the Bookings icon there with your other main Outlook tools. From now on, whenever you want to manage appointments, create new booking pages, or check your schedule through bookings, you can simply click that icon directly from the sidebar without having to search for it again. If you ever change your mind, you can remove it the same way. Right-click the icon in the sidebar and choose the unpin or remove option. But keeping it pinned is usually helpful if you use bookings regularly. That's all you need to do. You've successfully added Microsoft Bookings to Outlook and pinned it, so it's always just one click away.